I talk about the best credit cards, the ones you really should be considering adding to your wallet. I haven't really mentioned the worst cards and the ones that you should stay of, so let's get into a little video on some of the worst credit cards out there. What's up, you guys? I'm Jacob Fisher, and today we're diving into some of the worst credit cards that you could potentially get or apply for. There are a bunch of bad cards out there that I probably haven't even heard of and couldn't fit them all in this video because there's just bad ones out there. So without further ado, let's smash that like button and get into it. One of the worst banks out there to get a credit card from is Credit One. It kind of plays off of Capital One, but it's significantly worse. They provide low cashback cards with annual fees. Actually, if you see a credit card out there that offers 1% or maybe even 2% cash back for a $39 or $100 annual fee, it's probably one of the worst credit cards. Just keep that in mind when you're shopping for a new credit card. The Platinum Visa for rebuilding credit offers 1% cash back with a $0 to $99 annual fee. That's awful. You can get the Apple Card for $0 annual fee and get better cash back than that. But again, Apple Card is a harder card to get. And if you're struggling with your credit, check out my video up there. It's all about maybe a cash secured card that could help you build your credit at first. The American Express card through them is 1% cash back for a $39 annual fee. I just don't get that. An annual fee for a 1% cashback card is downright awful. Some debit cards offer you a 1% cash back if you make transactions by signing them or something, and no annual fee because you have a debit card. What I really don't understand from them is how they have a card that offers 2% cash back with a $0 annual fee, and then they have this 1% cash back card for a $39 annual fee. It just don't make no sense. They don't even mention any actual benefits to the card other than the cash back and the annual fee. I just don't see why somebody would want this card with no annual fee. Of course, if you're rebuilding credit, that's a different story. Cash secured is the way to go in that situation. That'll help you build credit much better than some of these cards. A lot of times you'll get a Credit One pre-approval in the mail. In fact, my friend did this and was like, oh wow, 1% cash back, that's not terrible. I was like, well, yeah, it's terrible. And then he saw there was an annual fee, so he's like, why would I do that? Moving on to some other cards that are terrible. The Mastercard Luxury Card Travel Collection, whatever you want to call it, is one of the worst luxury travel cards out there. It's 1 point per dollar that you earn. However, it is 2% redeemed for airfare and 1.5% for the black card in cash back. So technically the card is kind of like 2% cash back on every purchases. You just have to book through the website to get the 2% cash value for redemption for airfare. Either way, you could get the Chase Sapphire Reserve, which gives you 3 points per dollar spent on travel and dining, and then redeemed through the Chase Travel Porter for 1.5 cents per point that you have, which is really 4.5% cash back, beating the 2% cash back card you get for airfare with the Mastercard collection. This card has a $495 annual fee and also offers a whopping $100 travel credit. That's compared to Chase at $300, which has a $550 annual fee, or the Citi Prestige with the same annual fee that offers a $250 travel credit. I think it's funny on their website how they have the card weight as an actual selling point for the card. Like, this card is 22 grams. That beats out your Chase Sapphire Reserve and Amex Platinum, so you can toss it on the table and then show everybody off that your card is heavy. The gold card that they have is a whopping $995 annual fee, but it's made out of 24 karat gold. 24 karat gold. That's cool, but $995 when you could use a company like Lion Credit Card that will just turn your card into gold for much cheaper. Plus, if you're at dinner with your friends and you say you're gonna pay and you pull out a 24 karat Mastercard gold and just slap it on the table, I'm sure your friends are never gonna invite you out to eat out with them again. Wait, but there's more. The titanium card has the lowest annual fee with them at $195 and gives you a 2% cash redemption for travel with a zero travel credit. Again, very much not worth it when you can get the Citi Double Cash and always earn 2% cash back on everything you purchase for a $0 annual fee. I don't know how they come up with these cards and think people want them, other than the fact that they're metal and people want to show off. The luxury collection that all these Mastercard gives you is actually the same thing from Apple up there in the corner. You get special amenities at hotel properties. Or the American Express hotel collection. That's again the same thing. I mean, just imagine plopping down a 24 karat gold card with your friends at table. You paid $995 a year for that card. You plop it down on the table and all your friends just walk away. And on that bombshell, it's time to end. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to see my videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on travel and finance. And like the video and comment down below if you hate these cards or if you have one of these cards. Sorry. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.